Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am scrapbooking with my How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I'm also going to be scrapbooking a Disney trash can. So let's see what I can do. Okay, you guys, the first thing I did was trim down that copper vellum paper because, I want to use it on multiple layouts and I do only have the one sheet of it. I'm not hoarding it because it is in my kit, but I didn't want to layer up an entire sheet of this vellum. Now I did go ahead and put my adhesive on the back of the copper circles, and what that has done has allowed me to put the vellum down and you don't see any of the adhesive. Sometimes I'm a little less worried about that than other times, but on this layout I didn't want you to see the adhesive. I only want you to see those beautiful copper circles. So these are Disney trash cans. These are from Disney Trash Cans in Disneyland. Now this is outside of the revamped Hollywood Tower of Terror, where it is the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. So this trash can and recycle can were around there somewhere. I am using an orange and red paper. This is also from The Great Outdoors, which I think is a paper I used yesterday. This really dark wood grain, pulling it out here, with the light area is also a paper house paper. The other side is a food cut apart sheet. So I'll see if I can find it on the site. Paper House has some really good staple papers. Their wood grains are the best. They're just a lot of their B-sides on the camping ones. I love the B-sides of the camping ones. Haven't been camping in a couple years, so I don't really have a need for camping type papers, but this copper and orange, this red and orange, just goes great with the copper. So this is an Adventure is Out There 3D sticker, again, from Paper House. I am on the Paper House design team, and I just really like their products. So if you ever want to be on a design team, use and apply for companies that you like their products. Don't be on a design team just to be on a design team. Be with a company that you really enjoy. And Paper House is one of the design teams I'm on, and I really enjoy them. So what I was saying about the Adventure is Out There kind of puffy sticker was it was a little bit too puffy for me. Just a little bit too puffy. So I went ahead and peeled off one of the layers, and I peeled it off in such a way that I could actually use this bottom layer on another layout. There's a little bit of adhesive residue, but not so much that I wouldn't actually use it again. Now you can't do that with every layered sticker like this. Sometimes you'll ruin it, but to me it was more important that it was a little less puffy. So I have this flare badge and a copper paper clip that I just put up here in the corner just because I want it to give it some sort of pizzazz. And then I am going to make my title. And I pulled out what I thought was copper letters, but they weren't the right copper. They didn't coordinate with the copper here, so I decided to go with the orange because it was a bold orange, and it kind of coordinates with the whole orange red copper vibe I have going on here. I did not have oh my word, my mind just blanked. I did not have a letter S. So I am taking the number 8 and I'm going to Frankenstein that bad boy to give me an S. And then I'm just going to tuck in my other letters. So it's going to say space. And I really like how this turns out. And again, I wanted to do a little bit of journaling and some white pen. Don't have a white pen. Yesterday said I needed one. Today I said I need one. I might just go order myself a white pen off of Amazon tonight when I go to bed. Because you play on your phone a little bit before you go to bed and then you get sleepy and you go to sleep. So I think that is going to be happening this evening. So this white word that says explore, I wanted to make sure that was on the page. I wanted these bright pops of white just because everything feels very dark and and heavy, and I wanted the bright pops of color to kind of like lighten it up, not just color wise, but also weight wise, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and place those down here on my page. I also moved that little adhesive thing up to the top where it says Explore. I just liked it better there. And then I am finding some tiny little letter stickers, and I am going to spell out trash cans. So my title is Explore Space Trash Cans. And that might be a funky title to you. I mean, scrapbooking trash cans might be funky to you anyway. But I do have a full album, and I'm getting ready to bust into the second album because the album is full. And that is super exciting for me. It just really is. What is also super exciting is I have an entire wall of albums now. Used to run them all the way down the length of like the bottom two shelves of bookcases down the length of one wall, but we flipped some things around and now I have a full wall of albums, and I just like looking at it. It makes me happy. It just does. I was trying to layer up this little starburst flowery type thing just to bring this color of the title up here to the upper left hand corner as well, but it didn't really layer up over top or underneath of the paper clip like I wanted it to, so I just decided to place it where the vellum and the dark hardwood paper meet up. And then I went to my December project kit because that's still up. Yeah, fun fact, the December project is in my IKEA organizer, so my metallics kit is just kind of piled up on my desk next to me, which is a travesty. Gotta fix that. But anyway, I added those white enamel dots, and that is going to do it for this layout, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me. I just really appreciate it, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.